The three most dangerous mistakes I see people making when they're doing these urine mycotesting are number one, they get a positive test and then they immediately start on binders and try and DIY this. That's not smart, and that can actually cause a lot more problems, especially if you haven't identified the environment or if you're ingesting it of where this is even coming from. So if you get a positive test, don't go run out the door and just grab a bunch of binders. You first need to do a little bit of investigative work of where is it coming from? Is it current? Is it past? Let me figure that out, because step one in any detox protocol is you have to get out of the environment. The second biggest mistake I see is people taking antifungals based just on a urine test without going through the proper steps. Now, if you just jump right into antifungals before you have figured out where in your environment it's coming from, before you have made sure your immune system can handle it, because a lot of antifungals release a ton of histamines that will make you feel like crap, before you have checked your gut health, you're going to start antifungals thinking this is just a quick fix, and you're going to totally spiral and feel worse. And this is what I see all the time. You cannot rush through mold detox. You can't, unfortunately. I wish you could. I wish I had a 30-day fix. I wish I could just give everybody, like, here you go, get out of it. That's not the way this works. So mistake number two, do not go rushing from, I found out I got mold, let me get on antifungals. That's a terrible idea, and it's not going to feel very good. Number three is thinking that you can just ignore this and you don't actually need to detox this. The longer that mycotoxins stay in your body, if you do not get them out through all the proper steps, depending on what you need based on your genetics, based on your toxic burden, your immune system, long term, this turns into serious health problems, because mycotoxins affect your kidneys, your liver, your gut, your brain, your hormones, and your immune system. And a lot of times, like down the road, people end up with a lot of autoimmune, they end up with a lot of heart issues, they end up with psychiatric and neurological issues, and think that it's just not a big deal if I lived in a moldy environment and never did anything to take care of it. So don't make that mistake. It is time consuming. It is expensive. It is frustrating and exhausting. But if you can be patient and go through the proper steps of healing your body and detoxing successfully, you will get your health back, your energy back, your immune system back, and all those systems will restore. You just have to go about this the right way. If you are interested and you need help working one-on-one, you can work with me as your integrative health specialist. The links to do so are in the description of this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. That helps more people find this education to get the help they need in case they are struggling with mycotoxins as well. So until next time, see you in the other videos.